G'day people, I'm Sharon. Welcome to my channel. Since we're heading towards Valentine's Day at the moment, I figured today would be a good day to show you my feathered heart. And particularly, I'm going to show you how to put an embroidery design into the middle of a quilting square and not have it show up on the back like an embroidery normally does. By hooping up in the 14 centimetre hoop. This will need to be opened a bit because I need to put in the wadding and the top fabric. I'm not putting any backing fabric in at this time, just the wadding and the top fabric. Finger tight and into the machine. There's about 30 seconds of filming here that's a bit flickery because I can't do anything else with the screen. So if that's going to worry you, please skip ahead about 30 seconds. I'm going to go to the alphabet. I have chosen to do script. I'm putting in 2 initials and I'm doing it in medium size, which is 2 centimeters tall. Okay, into there, I want it to be centered into the hoop. I'm then going to go and look for my design that I want to stitch, which is in here, and it's this one, and that will put it down exactly over the top of the initials. With those initials done, we can now see the back of what is going to be the block. You can see here's the wadding and here's where the stitching is. If I'd had the backing fabric on there while that's stitched out, then that would be visible from the back of the block when it's finished. And I don't want that embroidery part to be visible. What I'm going to do is now to get my backing fabric over the top of this. I can't take the first one out of the hoop because if I do that, it's all going to move and my initials won't be in the middle. So instead, I'm going to pin around here, around the outside edge, and pin the backing and the wadding and the front fabric all together around the edge. My aim is to make sure that this is firmly in place and it isn't going to shift. This is the back of my design. No evidence whatever of the initials that are in the center on the front. But when I take that off and turn it over, there it is. So I only need to cut it out now, and got that initials nicely in my design. So there's my embroidery. The back of it looks like that one, but the front has got the embroidery in it. These kinds of things are really quite nice to use if you're making a quilt that's a bit of a memory quilt, and maybe you would like to put the initials of various members of the family onto the quilt. I hope you've enjoyed this and learned a bit more about your machine today. See you next time.